reflection. When a light ray is incident on a shiny surface, it goes back in the same medium with equal angle is called reflection. क्या मतलब? when when a ray of light is coming from any source, it strike the shiny surface. When it is striking a shiny surface, whenever a ray of light coming from any source at any angle striking the shiny surface, what happens? This light reflects back. It goes back into the same medium with the equal angle by which this angle has incident on this surface. क्या मतलब हुआ कि कोई भी शाइनी सरफेस जब होता है, कोई भी शाइनी सरफेस है और कहीं से भी एक रे ऑफ लाइट आ रहा है और इस पर स्ट्राइक कर रहा है, तो ये वापस उसी मीडियम में चला जाता है, सेम एंगल में जिस एंगल में वो स्ट्राइक किया था. दिस फेनोमेना इज कॉल्ड रिफ्लेक्शन. देखो, व्हेन अ रे ऑफ लाइट इज इंसिडेंट ऑन अ शाइनी सरफेस, इज गोज बैक इनटू द सेम मीडियम विथ इक्वल एंगल इज कॉल्ड रिफ्लेक्शन. देखियो इसमें, तो जो रे ऑफ लाइट जो आ रही है, दैट इज द रे ऑफ लाइट दैट इज कमिंग इनसाइड or striking the surface, this is called as incident ray, and the angle which is it making with the normal, or the we can say imaginary perpendicular line with the surface, like this one, this is called as the normal of the surface. The angle which is with the incident ray is making with the normal, this is called as angle of incidence. Okay, and it goes back into the same medium with certain angle. The angle in this ray of light is called reflected ray. Okay, and the angle which is made by the reflected ray and the normal is called angle of reflection. Okay, there are two laws. See, two laws of reflection. In first law, you can write the incident ray, the normal, and the reflected ray lie on the same plane. I have written in very short so that you can learn easily. The incident ray, the normal, and the refracted ray lie on the same plane. And second law is angle of incidence is always equal to the angle of reflection. So you can write, see, incident ray, that is I, normal, that is the perpendicular to the surface, and the R, that is reflected ray. All these three lines lie on the same plane, same shiny surface, or same plane, you can write directly, same plane. Okay, and what is the second law? Second law is angle of incidence is always equal to angle of reflection. These 2 points is called the laws of reflection. This is called as laws of reflection. Coming to refraction is a surface phenomena in which there is a change in the direction of the path of the light when it passes from one medium to another medium. क्या मतलब इसका? कि it is a surface phenomena. एक surface है, ये surface phenomena है कि when a ray of light is incident on that surface, in which there is a change in the direction of the path of the light. There is a change in the direction of the path. मतलब एक रे ऑफ लाइट जब इंसिडेंट कर रहा है कोई सरफेस पे, तो ये अपना डायरेक्शन चेंज कर लेता है, कहीं भी जा सकता है, ये अपना डायरेक्शन चेंज कर रहा है. सो दिस फेनोमेना इज कॉल्ड रिफ्रैक्शन, है ना. व्हेन इट पासेस फ्रॉम वन मीडियम टू अनदर मीडियम, एक मीडियम से दूसरे मीडियम में जब ये ट्रांसफर हो रहा है लाइट, तो ये अपना ओरिजिनल पाथ क्या होता है, चेंज कर देता है. ये किधर भी जा सकता है, देखेंगे हम लोग आगे कि किधर जाएगा, क्या रूल है इसका. So this process, this phenomena is called refraction. We can let us read one more time. It is the surface phenomena. ये एक surface phenomena है in which there is a change in the direction of the path of light. जो ray of light जो आ रहा है, there is a change in the direction when it is traveling from one medium to another medium. Okay, this is one medium. This is one type of medium. Let us say medium 1. And this is medium 2. So it is changing from one medium to another medium. The direction of that ray of light is changing. This process is called refraction. What is the second point? Light suffers a partial reflection and partial refraction. See what happens in this surface phenomena. Earlier we have read about reflection. In this type of refraction, what happens when a ray of light is traveling from one medium, some of the at the surface, at this point, at this axis, what happens? This is a surface. What happens? Some of the ray of light gets reflected also, and some of the ray get diverted, changes its paths from one medium to another medium when it is traveling inside. When it is traveling inside the other medium, it changes its direction. Okay, these are the 2 points in the refraction. Basically, there are 2 types of medium. One is optically rarer medium, and another is optically denser medium. See, it is a relative medium. Okay, like if you take water and air, if you take water and air, which one is more dense? Water is more dense, so this will be the denser medium, this will be the rarer medium. Okay, like if you take an example of a block, okay, or example of a block. See, water, like glass, take it. Okay, one more example is glass also, which is more denser than the water. So light is traveling from one medium, it is traveling to another medium which is more dense, air, which is more dense than air, so it will change some path. Okay, again when it is coming from this dense to rarer medium, again it will change path. So it is a relative medium. Okay,